This side Komal Sharma. I'm from Delhi and I'm pursuing my graduation from Delhi University. So my relative told me about Digital Vidya. They also did their digital marketing from Digital Vidya. And I researched about Digital Vidya. They are very good. This course is very demanding nowadays. And if I talking about my experience, I had a great experience with Digital Vidya. They are so kind and helping. Their trainers are really good at their work and knowledgeable. I'm glad to meet the trainers that help me so much in understanding the concept. They really helpful naturing. They help me a lot to move forward in my career. I learned new things that I didn't know before. I'm happy to learn something new with Digital Vidya. Thanks for wonderful sessions. And overall, our experience is really nice. I prefer Digital Vidya for they teach very well and their trainers are very good there in their work.